So I just finished this app. I am using Angular 6 and backend is Firebase, and I am performing this CRUD operation. So let me show you a demo. So add a product. So iPhone 10, brand Apple, and price is I think it's 89,000 in Indian rupees. So let's change it to Samsung and just save it. So here you can see that the data has been added here, and in our this Firebase database also in the Firebase console. So let's edit this because we have did a mistake that it's not the from Samsung, it's come with this Apple. So let's update this. So now you can see that we got this update button. So we will just change it Apple and just update it. So now you can see that the data has been updated, and in our Firebase console data has been updated. So suppose that we want to delete any phone like iPhone 6, so let's delete it. Are you sure? No, I am not sure, it is not deleted. So let's say okay. So now our data has been deleted from here. So now it is working fine. So let's add one more device.